Total word 412, duration 5 minutes, speed 80 word per minute and transcription time 35 minutes. Okay, ready start. Madam, I now come to the activities of oil exploration. Our aim ultimately is a complete stoppage of import of crude oil. With a view to do it, we are now intensively carrying on oil exploration both offshore and onshore in the country. As the House knows, the activities of offshore explorations are increasing and there are very good prospects of getting oil. Next year, we hope that production from the offshore will be something between 1 million and 2 million tons of oil by the middle of the next year or by the third quarter of the next year. Our production of crude oil from the onshore areas is also likely to increase by about 1 to 2 million tons. So, just now, when we are importing about 40% of our crude oil by the end of this year and import about 50%. If discovery of oil and production program goes on like this within 3 years, we hope the situation will very much improve. By the end of next year, we hope we shall be able to produce as much oil as we would require. Para. Madam, such a situation in the exploration is due to the fact that the Oil and Natural Gas Commission has of late made rapid advances towards new technology, both onshore and offshore. I am glad to inform the House that we are now knowing much more the difficulties of oil exploration than what we knew about a few years ago. We do not hesitate to exchange knowledge with those who have it, although there are sometimes difficulties in bargaining with such parties who knew more about it than us. Para. Now, with regard to increasing the number of refineries, it is very difficult just now to commit the government to anything like that. There are two refineries in Assam. A third one is coming up. With these, we hope to process as much crude oil as will be possible for us to do. We are already committed to transport 2 million tons of crude oil to Bihar. Para. Madam, I would like to say a few words about the Assam oil situation. Oil exploration in Assam is increasing and I want to assure honorable members that both the refineries are being expanded. Para.